Hello guys, I'm here 1 week later and I'm super excited to record this video. Guess why? Because Robert, the owner of the company that we just promoted last week, called me yesterday and asked me if I finished his website. I told him, no man, I didn't have time to finish the website. And he was, strange, because I received quite a few calls and they told me that they found me online. So you get it. They called him from the live events that we ranked last week. This is awesome. This is awesome because it proves that live events are working and they are bringing calls. He got 3 calls from the live events that we scheduled last week, and 3 calls in 1 week. This is super good because we are just starting out. Right, so let me quickly show you some of the rankings that we achieved. Service centrale termice Motan Timișoara. This was his main keyword. Service centrale termice Bosch Timișoara. He will be super excited to see that we are already ranking for this keyword. This is his main keyword. This brings him the most targeted traffic because he is offering specialized service for Bosch equipment here in Timișoara, our city. Reparații centrale termice Junkers Timișoara. Junkers is a smaller division of Bosch. Again, this is super targeted for him because he is signing every call that he makes from these 2 keywords. Again, a lot of other keywords, a lot of keywords you see for the smaller areas around Timișoara, the way that I showed you last week. As you can see, we are dominating for Dumbrăvița, for Giroc, for Ghiroda, all these are residential areas near Timișoara. Yeah, so this is awesome. Just check out, one second. Just check out all these keywords. We are already ranking for all these keywords, for 18 keywords. I plan on Monday to show him the website and to show him the keywords that we are already ranking for. He will be super excited when he will see that. He will pay me gladly a monthly fee when I will show him that from the first week he got calls, and from the first week we got him ranking on the first page, and I will promise him that over time he will start ranking even better for more short-term keywords, and each month I will try to get him like 5 or 10 new keywords, long tail keywords to rank for. But as I told you, Robert asked me to create a website for him. That's the first thing that he asked me to do. So today I will show you exactly how to do that and how to create a super good looking website from scratch in no time. Probably in 15 minutes we will finish the website. Today we will use a template from Xniche 360. Xniche 360 is a product of my good friend Adrian, and he gave me access to all these templates. It's a product that is featuring, I think, 10 templates for local clients, for dentists, for electricians, plumbers, real estate, restaurants, you name it. He has in here 10 of the best niches. So I will try to give you a link to download the template that we are using today in the description. You will be able to download it for free. But if you want other templates, I highly recommend you to get Xniche 360 because it's a steal of a price. Okay, let's move to actually creating the website. Each time I'm working with a local client, what I like to do is to build the website on my website, and after that, after the client is 100% happy, export everything and move it to his web servers after he pays me the fee that we agreed upon, right? We create most of our websites on WordPress blogs using the Divi theme. You will get access to the Divi theme again in the description, because it's super easy to work, it's super easy to maintain, and we have a lot of templates. Usually I'm not really spending the time to create these websites. This part is outsourced to my team, but today I will quickly show you how you can do that. If you don't have Divi installed, no problem, you just go to Themes, Appearance, Themes, and in here you click on add new and upload theme. In here you choose the zip file that you will download from the description of this video. I have it right here. Boom, you just click on install now and let Divi install. Boom, okay, theme installed successfully. Now click on activate and we are good to go. Now let's go to pages and click on add new. We will create the page and we will name it the name of the client. In our case, let me just check. I have in here the business card. You see, that's why I keep looking in that direction. I have some details in there. Term comfort. Perfect. And click on use Divi Builder. In here, everything will be pretty simple. We will click on this one, on the import export icon, and in here we click on import and choose the file again, the theme that we will have again in the description. I will just go with the electrician theme this time because honestly I think that it looks a bit better than the plumber theme, and we can just customize a few things in there and we will make it look super good. Good. Let's just click on publish and see what happens. Now if we install Divi, we install the template that we want to use. Now let me show you how to customize it, right? It will be super simple. Good. So this is how our current website looks like. I think that it looks pretty good already. And here we will just customize everything, put some testimonials, some nice things, his phone number, and yeah, it should look super good. Let me quickly show you how to do that. We click on enable visual editor. You can take the tour. I already know how to use it, so I will just click on no. Okay. For example, I don't like this section. I want it to be white. I don't like the current color. You just click here on the section settings, and on the background you can choose a different color. Let's just make it white, as I told you that I want it to be white. I think that it already looks better. Now let's customize the logo. You just go in here, you double click on the logo, and again you click here on the settings and you can upload any logo that you want. I already prepared a logo for Robert, and I will just upload the image. Okay, now let's say that you see in here we have some wasted space. I don't like it. You can just drag everything, super easy. Everything is visual. In here, call now and email us. We will just modify everything and say from call now, telephone. I will just say in Romanian, right? Telephone, and I will enter in here the phone number. Let me just take the phone number from this paper that I have, 0799160344. And let's add some spaces so it's easier to read. Perfect, it looks perfect. And email us. I don't have their email address yet, but we will have it pretty soon after we will install their website, their domain. Again, this is a background with, it's pretty good actually, with an electrician, with a plumber. I don't know what it is, but I have a different background that I want to use. You just click on the settings, and in here you go and upload your new videos, your new background images that you want. Just take a look how good it looks. Just check this out. It looks super good. Close to your location, electrician services. We will just double click that and we will write whatever we want. Let's say Timișoara, and add a headline in here. I saved it somewhere. No, what did I do? Okay, you just select this part and we say asigurăm reparații Bosch and your headline. Good. I don't want them to get a quote from the website, so I will just delete this section, this row. You see, you click on this icon and you can delete everything. And the contact us button, what does it do? Nothing for the moment. We can just put it to go down on the page where we will have the contact form. Why you should choose us? Again, let's modify this and say I just translated that into Romanian, easy as that. The icons in here, you can just again click on the settings and you can upload any image that you want. I have some icons saved, but I have only 2 of them. Yeah. A good place to find very nice looking icons is iconfinder.com. And in here, let me quickly show you plumber, right? And you select free. Free, why do I get all of them free? I just want free icons. 0 icons found. Well, for other niches, usually I'm finding a lot of icons. For example, let me show you something. I don't know, Facebook, let's say Facebook. We get a lot of free icons. And when you click on one of them, you will see that all of them are in a pack. So you get all the pack, you can download all of them and you can create a very nice looking style for your whole website. Okay, I will just leave this part as it is and we will just come back later and modify everything. In here again, we have a very nice looking section. I'll leave it exactly like it is. Our company is different for the following reasons. Again, nice looking section, I love it. 24/7 emergency services. Well, we will have to change this part. I don't know with what, but we will have to change it. In here we can add some really cool testimonials. I will just add one from Stoica Bogdan. Actually, Robert helped me with my heating system at my house, so I will just give him a really nice testimonial because I love his work. Robert, third, fourth, and again in here make sure to edit the footer part, emergency electrical services in your city. Let's just say the main keyword in here, service centrale termice Timișoara, right? That it looks that the font is a bit too big. You just go to design, text, and in here you can select the text size and you see everything visual. Everything is super simple. Perfect. And call us now. Let's just modify this and put our phone number. Just type it wrong. Yeah. Again, let me just quickly copy the phone number 0799160344. That's it. It's that simple. It's that simple, and you can create a website that you can sell for 500 bucks in no time. In no time, guys. Now all it's left to do is add some content on the page and we are good to go. But what I like to do before that, I'm just sending everything to the client. I'm showing him the website, I'm asking him if he likes it, what he wants modified, and just after that I'm starting to write the content for him. Because, you know, writing content is kind of hard, and I don't want to spend time writing this section, content for this section, when maybe my client will not want this section. No, it's pretty simple. So guys, this is it. We already have the live events ranking for him. We will create this very nice looking website. The client will be happy, and I guarantee that he will call us. The whole purpose of, maybe some of you will say, Stoica, this is a very simple website. Yeah, this is not a website actually, this is a landing page, because creating websites with a ton of different pages, with about us, with contact us, with our services, with past testimonials, all those things will just be too much information for our possible clients. When somebody searches for a service centrale Termicet in Timișoara, they don't want to find out your history and how you graduated and with what grade you graduated and how many employees you have. No, they just want somebody to come and fix their heating problem, right? So we have to create a landing page, a simple one-page website that gives them all the information, and the whole purpose of this page is to make them phone our client. The whole purpose of this page. And that's what we are doing. Don't overcomplicate things. Pages like this are the most efficient. Okay, so I think that this is it. I showed you how to create, how to do keyword research. I showed you how to rank the videos. I showed you how to create the website. Now all it's left to do is for you to cash in from your clients and just export everything and install on their servers. Simple as that. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will get results. Always make sure to keep us posted about your results and about your rankings in the Blaster group. You get again a link to the Blaster group in the description. Make sure to keep us posted and to motivate the other Blaster members. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Stoica and can't wait to talk to you in the next video.